They told you cybersecurity is all about being an expert coder. That's a flat-out lie.
Sound familiar? This one idea stops so many people right in their tracks.
And honestly, it might be the only thing holding you back from an amazing career. Okay, let's get real. Hacking in the real world isn't what you see in the movies. Because the real question is, what kind of cybersecurity role do you want?
Look, we can break the entire field down into 3 simple buckets. It's that easy. First up, category 1, roles where you need zero coding to start.
These jobs are all about analysis and strategy. Think GRC, auditing, or managing access.
Okay, category 2. This is where a little bit of scripting really helps you stand out.
Now, you're not building software here. You're just writing simple scripts to automate your work.
And finally, number 3, the deep end, where coding is absolutely non-negotiable. Yeah, these are the elite roles. Think malware analysis or exploit development. It's intense.
So how do you actually start? It really boils down to 2 distinct paths.
You can literally pick your path right now. Path A gets you in the door fast, with no code. Right, but what about all that crazy math? That's the other big myth we need to kill.
Look, unless you're deep into cryptography, you're just not doing calculus, period. So if it's not coding and it's not math, what's the actual foundation?
The single most important skill, it isn't coding, that's a tool, not the core.
And it's for sure not advanced math. That's only for a tiny handful of jobs.
The real skill, it's relentless curiosity. That's it. That's the secret.
It's that drive to figure out how things work and how they break. That's everything.
So don't focus on coding, focus on that curiosity. Start digging into the fundamentals today.
If you want to explore more, we've got guides and resources over at ujmix.com.